All right, we're glad to have in our booth this year at SEMA this 1965 high-top Volkswagen van, and Jason restored this thing back to the pristine condition that you see here. So it's one of only 3 left in the world of this high-top van, so we're excited to have it here at SEMA 2019.
One of the crucial things about this car is the fact that it was originally hit by a semi-truck when I first purchased this vehicle. It rolled 3 times and caught a fire, and we took it to my shop at Stratton Motorsports and then in Winter Park, Florida, and we reskinned the entire car with all funky green panels from Classic Fab. He was nice enough to go ahead and make custom panels for me to resurrect this car. There's not a lot of them around, you know, especially none that are restored or restored to this kind of condition. And I've kind of been known for that, to find stuff that people neglect and don't want and think that can never be rebuilt, and I find it to be a challenge. So that's what I try and do. SATA Dynam sees the artistic value in a lot of things that are vintage, you know, not necessarily your everyday collision shop. It's your artists, your people that are visionaries in the industry. SATA definitely backs those kinds of people.